Welcome back, guys. So I am so excited because as you guys can tell, I've already started taking out my fall decorations, which my fall series is continuing this year. It's going to be the third year in a row. So we're going to be continuing with I Heart Fall episode 13. But today I'm going to be doing a FabFitFun unboxing. So thank you so much FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. If you guys are not familiar with FabFitFun, it's a seasonal subscription box. So you do get it every season as opposed to like every month. It's filled with really good stuff. It has beauty, fashion, wellness, lifestyle items. What makes this box really good though is number one, it's full-size products, and you're going to be getting over a value of like $200, and it only costs you $49.99. So I do have a discount code that gets you $10 off your first box, which is LIZHEART. I will leave it linked down below, and also my link for you guys to sign up if you do end up liking anything in this box. I have no idea what's in here. So one thing I do know is that you're now able to customize some of your products, which I think is really cool. That way, you know, if there's something that you like over something else, you can kind of, you know, pick. It's still going to be a little bit of a surprise, but you still get to pick some of the items. But this is the inside, you guys. Look how colorful that is. Doesn't that just make you super excited? Like if you were to receive this in the mail, it would just feel like Christmas. The first thing in here, of course, is going to be your little pamphlet that tells you what's in here. Oh, I'm not gonna look into it though, because I want to be surprised. So up here we have, enjoy $3 off a Luna bar. I've heard a really good thing about these Luna bars, but I've never tried it. Let me know if you guys have. So the first thing in here is an umbrella. This is actually by Catherine Melandrino, so it's really nice. It's really colorful. Oh, you know, another thing that I like about this box, especially around the fall time, is that a lot of these things you could actually save them as gifts. Let's say you already have something very similar to it, or maybe it's just not your particular taste. You can always put it in your little gift closet and give it away as a gift, which I've done in the past because I received 2 scarves. So I gave one to my mother-in-law. She loves that thing. So that's just a little idea that I can give you guys. This looks interesting. Black and pink, which I have back here, so this is totally my colors right here. I thought I was gonna go with traditional fall colors this year, but when I was out shopping for home decor, a lot of the decorations that they do have blush pink, so I was like, how could I not take advantage of that? But for Christmas, I'm definitely thinking I wanna go traditional this year because of Sebastian. I love this, look you guys. It's so cute. You guys know I love drinking tea. Oh, even better. So this is for like loose leaf tea. I always misplace those little balls that you put the tea leaf in. I have no idea where they are. I've bought so many of those. So this is really cool that it kind of goes in there. You can pull it out. I will definitely use this. You guys know I love my tea. That one has a value of $26. Oh, and you actually have a choice between that or a French press, which is really cool. I do have a French press, so I'm glad that I received that one. Okay, so up next we have a shower gel. Can you guys hear me better? I moved the mic because I had the mic a little bit further away. Hopefully you can. But where was it? The shower gel. It's got rose, sage, wild basil, and this one retails for $22. Let's smell it. It smells very earthy, like something that you would find at a spa. You know who's gonna like this? My husband. He takes all of my shower gels. Let me know if you guys have significant others that also take your shower stuff. Oh, cute. This is just like little tea towels. I love the pattern though. It's just very simple. It's gray and cream, and it's by the brand Simply Whimsical. I'm glad that they included them in the box because it does go with the theme, and I think that's super cute. Ooh, this looks fun. These are Glam Glow bubble sheets. Oh, I am so excited for these. So these are $18 for a 2-pack. I've seen people use these on Instagram. Basically, like you put it on and it instantly starts to bubble up. All for sheet masks, so I'm really excited to try these. And these are actually a deep cleanse mask, so that is really cool. I'm gonna try one of these on and do, I'm gonna insert a clip for you guys so you can see what it looks like, but I'm really excited to use this. So next up we have a Grown Alchemist Polish Facial Exfoliant. So this one, holy cow, this one is valued at $67. So that right there is the entire value of your box and more. I actually discovered my favorite exfoliator from a FabFitFun box, the one from Kate Somerville. Absolutely love that stuff. If you guys are looking for a good exfoliator, definitely give that a shot. So I'm really excited to try this out because I feel like they always put really good skincare stuff in this box. And like I said, I've discovered some really amazing stuff. So you do have a choice between that or a Hydra Repair Day Cream or a Hydra Restore Cream Cleanser. You do get to pick from all three of them. Out of all three of those, this one is the one with the highest value though. So that is pretty cool. Oh, look. I just said I never tried one of these and they included it. This is a Luna bar. I guess this is one of those, a lot of times they'll include like an extra bonus type of sample thing in here. So I'm sure that's what this is. I'm gonna try it. Cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. A lot of people love this stuff. Here's so many people talk about stocking up on these whenever they go on sale. 3 grams of protein. Now, if this could magically turn into like a bar of Snickers, I would be all game for that. Ooh, I can't believe that there's something from Vince Camuto in this box. So it's a bag. Oh, this totally matches my outfit right now. Oh, it's made with vegan leather. It's valued at $128, but this is really cute. Now that I have a baby, I'm all about big bags like this, and I never thought that I would be because my bags usually consist of like 2 tiny compartments and that's it, but now I'm like all about something like this. So that is so cool. And this one comes in this brown color or black. Oh yes, an eye cream. This is from the brand Pharmacy. It's called Do It All. I've actually been in need of a good eye cream. I'm so excited to try this. With this, you can actually choose between this or a metallic liquid foil lipstick duo or a detox bath. And this is valued at $38. I didn't even know what to say. I just got so excited. A beauty blender. You guys know Bambi ate my last beauty blender. Well, she ate half of it. And it's pink. Or I should say it's light pink because I think the original one is hot pink. But this light pink color is so cute. And of course, you guys know the beauty blender is 20 bucks. So that's everything in this fall box. I'm actually really excited about the skincare stuff that they included. I feel like this was a really good one for skincare. We have the mask, the eye cream, the exfoliator. Let's not forget about the beauty blender. Even though that's makeup, I feel like I'm just gonna throw it in that category. So thank you guys so much for watching. And like I said, if you guys wanna try this box out for yourself, I do have a $10 discount code. So I will leave it all down below along with the links. That is everything for this video. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.